I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. I know you were waiting of my new video. So guys, your wait is over. I'm here again with one of your and other favorite topic. I hope you all are doing good. Stay blessed, stay happy and stay tuned to my channel. Obviously by subscribing it. And if you are new to my channel, then make sure you press the bell icon. In this way, you can get all new notification of my latest videos. Today, I'm showing beautiful shaggy layered bob haircut ideas. So, let's start the video. I am presenting beautiful shaggy layered bob haircut ideas. I am showing shaggy layered bob haircut ideas with chin length, ear length, with bangs, and with side bangs. You can select your favorite haircut among them. Well, I am presenting all the beautiful and latest shaggy hairs with layered haircut which are going on trending and will inspire you to get them as early as possible as you watch them. So, ladies, don't waste the time. Just pick up your favorite one hairstyle and go to your hairstylist. And if you like the video, you can share this video to your friends, family members, and social contacts. In this way, they will get updated with fashion and trend because I make video on fashion and trend always. You can also appreciate me through comment section. Your appreciation keep me energetic and boost me to make video for you guys according to your choice. These all classy hairstyles are really gorgeous that after getting these hairstyles you will be ready to go anywhere anytime. Like events, get together, functions and receptions, weddings also. These are casual and fashionable both kind of hairstyles. All college going girls, office going girls, teenagers girls are getting these hairstyles. So guys, don't waste the time and pick up your favorite one. I hope you like the video. If you do, you can share, like and subscribe the channel. Keep watching, keep sharing and keep supporting the channel and keep supporting me. Thanks for watching the video. I will be there in next video. Till then, take care yourself. Have a great hair day.